On the race course, the measure of success is time. In sports, winning is measured by skill and the ability to perform under pressure. But in your business, the measure is profit, which requires performance and skill and speed. Product supply chains are experiencing increasing demands for speed and performance. It is becoming more critical that you deliver perfect product on time, every time. Cascade Corporation is the global leader in the science of carton handling, committed to eliminating every form of handling-caused damage. The right Cascade damage reduction accessory on your trucks will more than pay for itself in at least 3 ways. Less product damage means fewer write-off costs and reduced cost of operations due to loss. Cascade damage reduction accessories give your drivers the extra precision they need to lift, move, and place cartons accurately every time. And customers will know that they can depend on you to deliver the damage-free product they require. Each damage incident sets off a chain of events that cost you money in almost every department of your company. The actual cost of the damaged goods, documentation of the damage in your warehouse, accounting, and sales departments, disposal or salvage of the damage, short orders to your customer that can result in the loss of valuable retail shelf space, increased time for additional inventory management, questions of responsibility over who is going to pay, and additional hassles for your customer. Product damage due to handling affects every part of your operation, from the efficiency and morale of your employees, to your relationship with your customers, to your profit margin. The Cascade damage reduction options address 3 major problem areas in carton handling. A common one is creasing. A creased carton may be an indication of damaged product inside. Even if the product inside is not damaged, a creased package may discourage your customer from buying the product or accepting the shipment. Creasing can result from poor clamp alignment. If the clamp is too high and grabs above the strong bottom edge of the carton, the clamp could crease the carton along the clamp edge. A tilted clamp means the pad isn't properly aligned with the carton, which can cause diagonal creases. Yet another type of creasing is vertical creasing of cartons experienced when product is over-clamped. Once cartons are damaged, higher clamp force is needed to handle the load from then on, compounding the problem. Crushing is the result of excessive clamp force and can cause major product damage. Most drivers have experienced slipping or have even dropped a load. It is common to overcompensate by over-clamping or using more pressure than necessary. Dropping is another source of carton and product damage. Dropping can result from poor pad placement and insufficient clamp force. The correct balance between clamping force and the weight and size of the load is critical for peak performance. Cascade's pressure control systems are engineered to substantially improve your ability to deliver optimum clamp force for any type of load every time. Pressure control systems are the backbone of the Cascade damage reduction line. Single-setting pressure relief valves limit the maximum amount of clamp force that can be delivered to the clamp. They are effective where carton size and weight do not vary significantly from load to load. Multi-setting pressure relief valves have multiple independent pressure settings instead of one. This works well in situations where several different load sizes and weights are handled routinely. The settings are manually selected by the driver to match the size and weight of the load. In addition to our pressure control systems, there are a number of accessories that reduce damage by fine-tuning performance in specific areas. Cascade Load Cushion absorbs shock to the load caused during normal truck travel, especially over rough surfaces such as dock boards and expansion joints. A smoother ride means less clamp force is required to handle the load. Less clamp force means less damage due to over-clamping. Cascade's Light Bar Kit works in conjunction with the multi-setting pressure relief valves. Usually mounted on the overhead guard, colored lights indicate which pressure setting is in use. This allows plant personnel to monitor operations at all times. Clamp pad alignment is a key element in reducing product damage and critical to efficient carton handling. With a properly aligned pad, there is a perfect match between the edges of the carton and the edges of the contact pads. Since cartons are strongest along their edges, the more consistently you clamp loads on the carton edges, the more successful you are in eliminating carton damage. Cascade Tilt Control automatically aligns the pads to the load by controlling the angle of the mast and attachment. With the pads aligned perfectly, loads are successfully grabbed close to the strong bottom edge, which reduces creasing damage. By holding the load base parallel to the floor, it can be lowered squarely into place time after time with no corner damage. When working with loads high off the ground, tilt control allows the driver to ensure the clamp and load are parallel to the load below. The precise pad alignment achieved with Cascade Tilt Control also extends the life of contact pads and clamp arms. Tilt control makes it easy to operate close to the floor without scraping and wearing the leading edge of the contact pad. Not only is pad alignment an important factor in damage reduction, pad selection is equally critical. The right pad for a specific type of load can make a substantial contribution to reducing product damage. Cascade offers contact pads in a variety of sizes and configurations for both general and specific applications. With the clamp force indicator, you can verify that you are applying the correct clamp force and that the load holding system is functioning properly. You can prevent damage before it has a chance to happen. Cascade damage reduction products will fine-tune your operation and eliminate guesswork and operator error. With the right Cascade damage reduction accessories installed on your trucks, you'll get experienced driver results from less experienced employees. This is a real benefit in an industry with high worker turnover. Successful carton handling depends on understanding and controlling a number of different factors. Individual carton size, how cartons are stacked in a load, the rated strength of the carton itself, and what internal support, if any, the carton may have. Your Cascade dealer can help evaluate these factors as they apply to your specific operation and help you select the best Cascade damage reduction products. Our website, cascorp.com, has a damage control section that clearly outlines the benefits of each of our products. At Cascade Corporation, we have a zero damage goal. Refining our products toward that goal has made us a world leader. With our damage reduction products, you can increase your productivity and your profit. And that adds up to the performance edge it takes to be a winner.